Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Isabel, and if you're still not part of the family, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're subscribed already, thank you so much. Now this video was a requested video. Someone requested me to see if I could do a video of how I do my eyebrow. Now this is how I do my eyebrow during quarantine, because prior to quarantine I usually go to the beauty salon to get it done. So today I'm going to show you how I do it during quarantine, and it's super easy. I only use 2 products. This one is the bareMinerals Strength and Length Serum. So this one even helps you, I don't know if it focuses. This one even helps you with growth, to grow your eyebrow. And then I also use the bareMinerals Brow Master in the color Coffee. Hopefully it focuses. There we go. Alright, so as you can see, my eyebrows look like poop right now. I haven't done anything to them. So what I start out with is the Brow Master. On one side is the spoolie, and the other side is the crayon. So I'm going to start with the spoolie. First, what I do is I brush my eyebrow. I'm just going to do one. I'm going to leave this one like this so you can see the difference. So I brush my eyebrow with a dry spoolie, just like that. Then I go with the Strength Serum. So what I do is I brush all the hairs up. It's gonna look weird at the beginning, but I brush them all the way up like this. Bring them up, all the little hairs. Don't be shy. Once they're all up, then I go and just at the very top, just bring the top down a little bit like this. Just go with the natural flow of your eyebrow. Then after that, I let it sit a little bit, maybe like 10 seconds. So it dries a little bit, not a lot. Then I go with the other side of the pencil, which is the crayon. And I just fill in the eyebrow. I usually start like right here, not at the very beginning of the eyebrow, but like leave a little space. And then just again go with the same flow as your natural little hairs. And just fill it in and go to cray. Then I go to the beginning of my eyebrow and fill it in as well. Just a little bit lighter strokes here. And that is it, guys. Basically, that is it. The gel sets, it dries, and it makes your hair stay in place the whole day. See the difference? And that's it. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, let me know what else you would like to see, and I'll see you in the next one.